All right, today's the day. We are making apple cider. I've got chili here cooking, and we are outside setting up. We've got some people coming over to hang out. Unfortunately, it's rainy and it's chilly. It's like a high of 50, but we're still gonna have fun. As you can see, I've been busy over there. I got 7.5 quarts of lard made over the weekend. But let's head outside and see how they're making out with setting up.
Hi, little man.
What we were doing here, we were just getting tables set up yet and just visiting. As you can see, we were all playing as well. Here we're getting the table strapped down for the apple press. Makes it a lot easier. He was building the shelf right there. We used the pitcher to take and put under the spout of the apple press to catch the apple cider when it comes out the bottom. Look at the camera. How do you think we do this? Don't pull on it. Explain it. Don't twist it.
Tell her what you were just telling her.
We twist this until the apple smashes and it turns into cider.
That's pretty much. All right, what we do, we got the nutting in this, and what we do is after we chop the apples in the food processor, we put the apples in here, and then we put these half circles around the pole. They go around the pole. And then we use these spacers, and we use this handle, and we crank it, and we press it for the apple cider to come out. Now, obviously, the first thing we had to do is cut the apples up into chunks. So here, my one neighbor, he is working on that as we are tossing them into the bucket to take over and put into the food processor. So while it's not fair for one person to cut all the apples, we enlisted the boys to help with cutting up some of the apples. Makes the process a little bit quicker, while us women visited some more. The next step is ours. Once we have apples chopped up, we just put them in the food processor.
We have an umbrella.
It'll be fine.
Okay, kids.
That'll be apple.
And then we will just dump it. Follow me. There we go. Then we will just dump it in here. We all take turns and help together, and the cider will be made with love.
This apple's not.
On this next section, each one of the kids wanted to try running the food processor and dumping it into the apple press. So I am going to show you video footage of each one of them getting the opportunity to put their helping hands and love into our cider. I think they all really enjoyed getting to be part of the process of making it. There was 8 kids involved in doing this. And of course, there's a couple of us adults that had to also get our hands dirty and trying it out. Due to the fact that we had music going and personal conversations going, I am muting our conversations, and I am going to play some audio during this segment for you guys to enjoy as you watch. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put these on. Fits right in there. We put now the seal. Hey, guys, take it easy on my Cody. That's the son I like. I think I will have to. Empty.
Wow, this is gonna taste so good. Hey, how do you get it out of that?
Come over here and watch. Just don't watch.
Margaret,
Don't get in the middle of the video.
Can I scoot you over?
Video here.
Cool.
Can you just know what that sounds like? Hush.
Careful. Our next step is we do strain it in case there's little pieces of apple that got through.
Alcoholic, non-alcoholic.
Okay, go ahead, you guys. Is it any good?
It's delicious. Delicious.
Okay, guys, here we go. Cheers. That is really good. Nice and sweet. Cheers.
Mama, cheers. Oh, that is good.
It is, isn't it? All kids need to be present and accounted for under the white tent. What goes better with some apple cider is some chili. It was finally time for lunch. All right, everybody, lunchtime is over and it is finally time to carve these pumpkins. Boy, the kids had fun. How you doing there, Marcus? What, babe? We'll get there. Do you guys need, you guys probably need a cup with water to clean your paintbrushes and stuff. So how's the painters doing?
Well, we're making a butterfly.
Cool. Apple cider made. I'd say we got probably about 5 gallons. Easy.
At least.
Yeah.
I found a basketball while I was down there.
Cool. Play with it. It's ours.
No.
It's one of ours.
It's flat because it's been in the cold.
It is. You are correct.
It needs warm. This one, yours or ours?
Your mommy's going to take the seeds home. There's plenty more that she can take too.
Oh, okay, let's just do it.
All right, everyone, there we have it. Another day. Apple cider's made. Kids did their pumpkins, and we had an awesome day. Even in the cold, the rain, the wind. We had it all today, and we had fun. So thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Toodles.